What's up, guys? I'm going to a junkyard. Gonna try to find some parts, wiper blades, wiper arms, bolts, nuts, and maybe some carpet, visors, a dome light. Let's see what else. A couple of other things. So, wish me luck. Alright guys, so found a Supra MK23 and I'm gonna pull the intermediate shaft. I'm surprised it's not gone yet. I did find wipers off of an 85 Corolla sedan. I measured the widths and they're the same. And so fingers crossed that it's gonna fit. Found a dome light, found a couple other things, but I'll get right back to you. I'm definitely out of breath, but there it is. MK3 Supra intermediate shaft needed for the manual rack conversion for the AE86. Now I don't have to buy a T3 one, and it's all good in the hood. I'm ready for my manual rack. I already got the knuckle from MR2 a long time ago. Just found it again. Gonna keep looking. It would be a perfect day if I found an AW11. We'll see. Alright guys, so I think I found one other thing I'm looking for. This is the right type, the right rim, the right connection, out of a 89 Corolla. I'm going to snag this. There you go. Boom, just slid off. And I want to see if I can actually find a way to take this whole box so I can replace mine with it. We will return. Alright guys, so this is what I got. 2 dome lights. Just bought the whole thing just so I can like mess with it later. Just a cap, 240 speed sensor from my brother, intermediate shaft, 2 wipers, and this cover. And just another IS300 pedal. Just gonna throw it on. That's it. Gonna wait for the new cars to come and then go back in. Right now I'm just gonna get some lunch and chill for a little bit. Maybe call around and see if anybody has MR2 racks. Alright guys, so I almost had a heart attack. I could not believe my eyes, my luck, my fucking day today when I found this. Boom, and it still has a steering rack. The hell? I'm fucking lucky today. And it looks in good order. And I'm gonna take that shit right now. Damn, I'm freaking lucky today. Oh man. Oh. I just want to thank everybody for keeping me in your prayers. I know you guys were rooting for me. And I'm glad you guys were able to do that and I didn't disappoint. I'm about to take this steering rack out and have another orgasm. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Alright guys, so took everything off, inside off, and up here, down here off. This is the first attempt. There you have it, my new manual rack. Let me get out the way. My new manual rack out of this car. It pays to be a junker. I'm pretty tired now. I don't think there's anything else I can take out of this. It's all tan and weird colored. So, nope, nothing else I can take. Engine is still here. This is the Chula Vista pick apart. So come and get yourself a 4AG. Don't let it go to waste. Let's see. I think that's it. I mean, let's see, we need a ECU or something. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna continue this at home. Alright guys, so just pick this up. You know, I was about to pay like 200, 300 bucks for a manual rack online the other day because I was so desperate. But I found the whole freaking rack and my intermediate shaft in one day. I mean, this is not the norm, it's not the usual, but dang, I got lucky today. I'm gonna replace these, use my GTS ones with these, replace my power steering, my end links with my AE86 ones, power steering knuckles, and then I'll have a complete rack. And then all I need is this spacer here from T3, and I am good. I'm gonna wait, clean all this up, and then I'll throw it in and order my T3 bushing. Thanks guys, I'm excited. Alright guys, so chasing daylight here. Just want to go over my little haul, and I'm extremely satisfied. I mean, today was amazing. Today was the best. I mean, I couldn't have asked for more. It was, I don't know, whatever. So we'll go one by one. Speed sensor, S14 speed sensor for my brother's S14. Dome light. I think this is the color that I wanted. I need. This is a little lighter, different color, but this is the color I'm going to use. And beautiful little cover. It even has a little light bulb inside. This one seems kind of bent right there, right here. I don't know if that's correct. I think this was, there it goes. Supposed to look like that. Wiper harness, just wiper motor harness, just in case I need it to like splice into a new harness or something. This fusible link, and what the cool thing was that they charged me as a relay, so I think it was just a couple bucks, but I got all the relay, all the fuses inside as well. I know for sure we don't use the middle one, so I might have to replace some of those, but that's one of those, I don't know. Beautiful little cap, like brand new. What I needed here, 2 wipers. I measured from this distance to this distance and this distance to this distance, so that I know that these 2 are correct for the Corolla. It matches the other one. It came off of a 85 AE82, no, AE82 4-door sedan, whatever that is. IS300 pedal. I'm gonna do the same thing I did with the other one. Take this off and then put it onto my Corolla. Just some MR2 brackets, don't need those. The bolt, the nut for this one side still has it. Hood prop stay right here. Hopefully that works. Just a bracket. This one. And the cram, the cherry on top, the best thing that I found today. MR2 rack, sons guns. And not only that, but I found an MK3 Supra the same day. Found this one first. You guys saw that in the video. Just like talking, going on and on about. I have a steering knuckle that I had before, but you know what? Found a rack, sons. Dang. And it's gonna go in. It's gonna obviously go in. I just gonna buy this mount. No, this bushing here, and then that's it, dude. I mean, I bought this rack at Pick Your Part Chula Vista here in San Diego. $50. Compared to $100, $200, $300 on private sale. And I'm just glad I was able to find that. I think the best things I found today were this. This, I mean everything. I like everything. Pretty happy. Let's see here. Right here. Rack and pinion, $38, no warranty. Total comes out to $50.02 at Chula Vista Pick Your Part. Man, that's legit, guys. Legit as heck. I'm resisting going to install it today because I want to make a few videos out of this, obviously content for the channel, but maybe I'll stop it here for this video, keep working tonight, and just have that video for the next day. But thanks for watching, guys. I'm super excited. I know you guys are following along, and you're probably pretty excited as well. And I just thank everybody. Thank you guys all for watching, commenting, liking, subscribing, and I appreciate it. Even if I get a job, I'm gonna keep going with this. So here we go, guys.